stuff. I don't feel like getting into it. The toolbox. Show you the basics. Sockets. No ratchets and extensions. All snap-on stuff. Snap-on wrenches. 2 Williams. Alright. Tons of different pliers. Stuff. Huge wrenches. Tons underneath, all the way across. Alright. Things. Hammers. It won't close. We don't need it. Air tools. Stuff. Side cabinet, ton of stuff. I'll make another detailed video later. Sockets. Torque wrenches. Big socket set. Stuff I already showed you. Mine. Alright. Things. More things. Stuff. I'm going so quick because I keep getting interrupted and I have to restart. More wrenches. That stuff isn't important. I'll get to it later. Matco tool cart, you know, computers and diagnostics. It's important. Just wires in there. Wire brushes. Stuff. I have no clue why that's in there. It should be empty. A torque wrench, old one. Oh yeah, tons of torque wrenches down here. And yeah, my little tool cart to go around the garage. Blue Point cart, Craftsman box, snap-on, gear wrench, snap-on Mac tools, gear wrench, matco tool, SK, little snap-on things, little cobalt wrenches, gloves, some of my screwdrivers, 2 hammers and chisels. Vacuum. Drill bits. That's it for now. Shit, welding. I don't know who did that. Little workbench. Stuff. Nice big device. Little tool cart. Little racks me and one of my dad's friends made. Old stuff. Yep. Little stuff. Another workbench. Another little toolbox. To Mac tools carry. Yeah. Big 8-inch vise. And the power tools, grinder, backpack, snap-on welder, and that's about it for tools.